guys, it's your boy Tjpardy 239 back with another video, and today we're going to be making a transforming ninja star. Oh man, and why these stars are really cool? They transform, right? So this goes from a regular old just like regular old circle, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 octagon, to a ninja star. If you want to learn how to fold it, just watch this video. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. I failed. Okay. So first thing, the materials you'll need will be 8 pieces of square pieces of paper. Make sure they're square, because if they're not square, it will not work. Also, you can use any color paper and any designs you want, but today I'm gonna use these pieces of paper. So let's get right into it. So to start off, all you need to do is fold this side to this side right here. Make sure it is exact. Okay, then make your crease. Okay, so now there should be a line down the middle. Okay, next thing you'll do, so fold it from this here to here. Okay, then crease it. Make sure it's creased. See? Okay, so now next thing you want to do is you're going to fold this corner right here up to that corner up there. Then crease it. Okay, so now open it up here, this corner right here, up here. Make sure to crease it. Okay, so now once you open it up, it should look like this. Okay, so next thing you want to do is you want to get this flap right here, and you're going to fold it into the middle. And then crease it. Make sure to crease it very, very well. Okay, then turn around. And then this corner right here, up here, into the middle. Then crease it. So it should look like this. So now all you're going to do is you're going to fold this side right here over here. So just fold it in half. Then crease it. It should look like this. And now have it to its like kind of like that. And then do you see this point right here? We're just going to open this up kind of, and we're going to squish this down. Okay, I'll do that again for you guys. Just squish it down. And then just crease these sides right here. Okay, and then just fold it. And then here's a completed module. So do the same thing for seven other pieces. Okay, so once you've assembled all of your modules, the next thing you want to do is get one module and hold it like this, and then get another module and hold it like this, and then flip it around, and then it should look like this right here. So one's on this side, and one's on the other side. So put this one in here. Make sure it's as far in as possible, and then flip this one back. Then put this point over here, and make sure to crease it. See? And now open it. Now do the same thing over here. This point, as far as you can, down there. Okay, so once you do that, all you have to do is just fold them in. And just like that, they're connected. Okay, so now do the same thing over here. This part right here, I folded them. Go over there. Make sure to crease it. Fold it out. And here, crease it, and then just fold them right in. Okay, so next one, same thing. So basically, you're just repeating the process. Fold it over here, back, fold it over here, back, and then fold this one inside, then just crease it so it should look like this. Okay, and now take another one and then do the same thing. Put them in here and then just fold it over, then fold it over, then fold it in, and then yep, and then your next one. Fold it inwards in here. Okay, just gotta really get in there. Okay, as far as you can, and then rinse and repeat. Well, I don't think it's rinsing; it's just repeating. But I like that saying. Yep. And then next one, green in there. And then fold it over, put it back, fold it over, put it back, then fold it inwards, fold it inwards. Okay, and now okay guys, so really pay attention to this piece. This is the last piece. It might be a little bit tricky for you guys, but I think you guys can do it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the same thing. Put it in there. Put the little flaps in. Oh, don't forget to fold it over. Put the flaps in. Okay, so now it should look like this, but it's not complete. But it's not complete though. So now we're just gonna gradually try to get this point in here, and then it should look like this. Okay, so now I'll just tuck these little points in the pockets here. Do you see those? Do you see those? Tuck them in the pockets. Okay, so just tuck them in as far as you can get them down. And then, if you want, you can fold it down, but you don't have to. Okay. And here you have a completed transforming ninja star. Oh no, it popped out. Then if it pops out like this, just put it right back in. And there you go. There's your transforming ninja star. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. See you guys later. Peace out.